Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Nissan Juke. First of all, we're going to settings, we go to Bluetooth, then I'm watching out at the bottom. Over to the system here, you've got map, info, setup, back, radio, CD aux, but you've got the telephone handle or the picture of the telephone handle over there. So if I click that, it says connecting to a phone. Well, there's no phones in here that's connected, so I'll just click connect, like so. Pair new device. So watching out at the bottom here. Please start pairing with my car from your Bluetooth device. If device requests PIN, please enter 1234. So my car, click on there. It's generated a random PIN code, so I'm going to click pair, and yes, that matches. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, and there we go, that's connected. So we're looking for my car just to make sure it's connected. My car connected there. That's it done. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this 2015 Nissan Juke. What we have to do, we go to music, find a track that we like, we'll click this one, but you'll see at the bottom there, it says my car. If I click on that, brings up, you've got two options at the moment, play through iPhone or my car. There's a tick next to my car. That means anything that's playing on here, with the soundtrack of anything, or with iTunes, Amazon Prime Music, Spotify, soundtrack of a YouTube video, it will play through the speakers if I have it set up right. So I'll click play here. It's playing. I go over to, you see CD, auxiliary, radio. If I go over to auxiliary, this throws a lot of people. Go over to auxiliary, that's the auxiliary input there, and there's also a USB input there. So if you have it wired or plugged into either of those, auxiliary, click on auxiliary. You've got auxiliary there. It doesn't do anything. Press auxiliary again, and it's gone on to Bluetooth audio. You scroll through all the different functions, whether it be auxiliary, USB, and so on, just by clicking the aux. So you may have to click it 2 or 3 times, depending on what you've got. But if I click play there, turn it up. So great sound system in here too. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Nissan Juke. It's saying there no Bluetooth devices connected. So we'll just go off that for a second. So you're on another screen. What you need, you press the telephone like that. No telephone device connected. So connect in the corner. We don't want to connect a phone, but click connect. Now you've got a new menu, pair new device, select pair device, delete pair device. We want delete pair device. And you'll see there, if I just highlight any of these, do you want to delete Galaxy S8? Yes, delete. That's it, gone. Just wait a second. Delete another one. That's it, gone. And then my phone. Delete, okay. All gone. It's as easy as that. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2015 Nissan Juke. So from any screen, you've got nav there and you've got map. If you just want to see where you're going, which I do quite often if I don't know the area and I'm not in a particular hurry to get anywhere, I just click on map and I can see any bends coming up. So that's great. But you've got nav there. Click on nav. New address. Postcode city. It's already got our postcode in, but I'll put it in again. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, PR. We now need to go on to numbers. So numbers are up here, 1, 2, 3, ABC. We'll click there, Michael Jackson record. 5, 4, it's gone defaulted back to the alphabet. E, A. PR5 4EA, yes, click OK. Calculating fastest route.
Make a U-turn if possible.
That's it, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.